Hey folks, I'm HPCrazy and today I'm going to talk about Witch Spell by ACDC, the new song on the new album, Power Up. But before we get started, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button to get push notification when a new video is uploaded or a live stream is taking place. So, how does the song sound? I just learned it. I have wrote it down. I don't know it by heart, so hope I still know how to play it. So let's get started. Here's the singing. Here's the singing, and now comes the refrain. Yeah, I missed the last note. So these were the parts. I just checked out the first part. The second part is more or less the same, just the parts are aligned differently. And so this is the main parts here. So let's get started. So as we know, there are two guitars. So I just picked out the main guitars. So the intro is this figure here, probably played by Angus. Here is a B5 here, 4th fret, 7th fret, just in 8s, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and slide down, 2 frets, back. Then go to A5, just slide down 2 frets, and then A5, E5, 5th fret, 4th fret. So that's the whole thing of the intro, and the other guitar just plays power chords, just the normal ones like these ones here. Oh, by the way, my sound setting this time is just a simple tube amp, Black Star, 1 watt, and just no effects, just plain tube distortion. So that will be the first part. Yeah, and when we come here the second time, you stay 2 more bars here on the E5. And then it goes into the chorus where the singing starts. So this figure here is very simple to play. 4th fret here, B5. So, and the rhythm is 1, 1, 2 and 2, 1, 2 and 1, 2 and 2 and 3, 1, 2. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 1. That's how you count. 1, 2, 1, 2 and 1. 1, 2 and 3 and 4. That's the way you count. This is played 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times, but in the second part it's not played 6 times. And then comes the refrain, which I really like. It's cool. So 1, and it starts with anticipation. It's a method ACDC uses often. This means you play the power chords in 4, and so 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2. So there's a B5 here. 2nd fret, 4th, 4th, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have the B5 chord, 2nd fret, 4/4, and then the single note line 0, 2, 4. Then you jump into D5 here in the 3rd fret, 2nd fret, and then down here 3, 0 to E5, sorry. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2. And the E5 comes again also on 4 end. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. And then comes a special chord. He's playing a with a C sharp in the bass. Sounds a little bit cooler than just the normal A5. You just play here, 2nd fret, here 4th fret, and you don't play the D string. Well, you can if you want, but I'm pretty sure it's just two notes played. So you damp the D string, and then the D5. So I'm gonna play the whole sequence here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. So also this A with C sharp in the bass starts on 4 ends. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. So on 4 and 1 end, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then back to B5. And the D5 comes on 2 end. 2 and 3 ends. So it's a whole series of offbeats. That's a really cool thing to make a chorus really driving. Yeah. Then it comes the same thing again, but in the second time the chords are played a little bit, you push them a little bit more. First time it was just laying down, 1, 2, 3, 4. Second time you play something like this, 3, 4. You just play a little bit, the chords a little bit more instead of just holding them. Yeah. And then after that, just play twice this figure. Then comes the final riff. And again on 4 end, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. We go to G5 here, 3rd fret, 5th, 5th, to D5, to A with a C sharp in the bass, and to E5. And again is some kicks in between, but basically the G5 comes on 4 end as well, and D5 comes on 2 end, and the A with the C sharp comes on 4 end again. So it's always 4 end and 2 end. These are the main anticipation which you can do. So let's do the thing now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Two, three, four. Yeah, and then the first part is finished. Basically, yeah. One more to say, but I'm not gonna play the whole thing now with the backing track again. It's really cool. I love the track, I must say. First, when I started to listen, I don't like it so much, but it's really cool. Yeah. And as I said, then the parts more or less are in combinations, but these are the parts which come. Hey guys, I just jumped one part, so I have to play the thing again. That's why the cut here. Whole thing now I'm gonna play now. Yeah, sorry guys for the few mistakes I did. I just listened to the song 1 hour ago and learned it. As I said, I wrote it down because I could not play by heart. I was doing sight reading here. Yeah, guys, what more to say about this? If you want to have this thing here is available in the HPCrazy Guitar Academy, as well as this backing track which I created. Join there, support my channel, make a membership, because there you always can download all files, so all upcoming tutorials. So it's really worth making the premium membership there. One more to say, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, Telegram, on Google, Facebook I don't really do anymore. Follow me on Spotify and of course here on YouTube. And write me a review on Google Maps, HPCrazy Guitar Academy. I really would appreciate that. Yeah. Me and Dr. Pink are signing off. Bye, guys.